Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to remove category on Instagram. If you want to remove your category on Instagram, what you have to do is first of all open up your Instagram application, and after opening your Instagram application, tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. And after tapping on your profile icon, below your profile picture, here you can see artist, that is my category. So if you want to remove that category, what you have to do is just tap on edit profile. And after tapping on edit profile, here in the bottom you can see category. You just have to tap on that option. And here you have different kinds of category. So I have selected as artist. So if you want to remove this, what you have to do is just you have to tap on profile display, which is on the bottom of your screen. And after tapping on profile display, now if display category label is on, you have to turn off that option. So you can see if you turn off that option, it will not display your category on your profile, but if you turn on that option, it will display your category in your profile. So if you want to remove that, what you have to do is just turn off this option and then tap on the tick icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. And after tapping on the tick icon, if you come back to your profile page, here you can see I can't see my category anymore. So this is how to remove category on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.